In today's rapidly evolving world, advancing education is crucial. Transform your teaching approach with Withplus Live, the ultimate platform for lecture support. Withplus Live is a platform specifically designed for educators and teaching professionals. It offers a range of tools such as live polling, live quiz, and live board, as well as engaging game-based content like Live Pick and Live Deal. Additionally, it includes diagnostic tools like the Egogram and Hexagram. Live polling is an interactive tool that allows all participants to share their opinions in real time. With just a few clicks, you can create polls in a slideshow format, enabling you to gauge and share participants' views instantly. This feature is perfect for breaking the ice at the start of a lecture and for reviewing key concepts at the end, enhancing engagement and focus. For more in-depth survey responses, the AI-powered clustering groups similar opinions together, giving you a clearer understanding of the overall sentiment. With Live Quiz, participants can dive into learning through real-time competition. By creating quizzes on various topics and for different objectives, you can boost participation and focus through healthy competition. Simultaneously, you can easily assess learners' understanding based on their quiz performance. Use Liveboard to facilitate collaborative projects or group assignments, which make it easy to communicate and track progress, whether individually or as a team. Live Pick is a decision-making training tool where teams compete by bidding on numbers each round, aiming for the lowest total score. This encourages a competitive atmosphere and helps participants develop decision-making skills through strategic planning and budget management. Live Deal is a program designed to enhance decision-making skills, where participants select 2 out of 18 cards for 9 rounds. This exercise strengthens decision-making abilities, competitive analysis, and negotiation skills, which are essential for business strategy development. In the diagnostic programs, the Egogram test assesses one's ego state, while the Hexagram test analyzes leadership traits, tendencies, psychological needs, and stress levels using purchased diagnostic tokens. Shift from traditional teaching to collaborative learning. Withplus Live, your partner in modern education. Join us at the most affordable and competitive rates. Withplus, the only choice for digital game-based learning.